Now let's look at this figure 21-38. Now, notice this illustration deals with the need for drains when we want to provide one. And of course, that's in accordance with NEC 501.15F is in fun. And you notice drains kind of serve as a breather installed to provide ventilation, minimize condensation, and so forth. And where it may be necessary, you may have a top drain or a bottom drain, as you see here. And any condensation setting in, it will bleed it, but you can also use it just as a ventilation to ventilate the enclosure. And notice the illustration to the right there. We have a fill area where you're going to pour it and put packing in and pour it, and it's 25%. You shouldn't fill it more than 25%. Then you have room to pack it and pour it and so forth. If you don't need the liquid type that you just shoot right into it, pump it right in, and it fills up the seal and the conductors, and even seals into the raceway system in many cases. So the conductors that you route through there is 501.15C6 is in car. And then the seals that you're dealing with is 501.15F that we would look at. And basically, that's basically what this illustration 21-38 is illustrating. When do we need seals and drains, and what would they provide for us? And when does a seal have to have the 25% fill area with the conductors applied? That's exactly what this figure is illustrating to the user of the NEC.